Go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
He's stuck.
Oh my god. Give me that stick.
Look at Rosie. She like disappears.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
You want it?
Paul, don't. She will try to get... No, just bang it up against the tree. No, Rose. Here, Rosie. Rose,
Oh
nope.
my god, you guys, this is amazing.
Yeah. Look, oh, not one. Nope. Watch. Watch her. No.
Get it!
Oh my gosh, did you get that?
Come on, let's see what she's doing. Where is
He
she?
jumps over.
Oh, oh, oh,
You're a monster!
yes you are, you. Come on, let's go. Get up there now, get up there.
Come on, Babel.
Come on. Come on, girl. Oh, come on.
Getting that?
Come on. Come on.
Oh,
Come on, baby.
oh. Come on, little Raz.
Good girl.
Oh,
Good girl. Well, the good news is this dog here can't, Charlotte can't come out and kill us because the snow's too deep.
get, Allie, get that.
You gotta want it. Let's go. Get up there.
Help her.
Go. Oh, good girl. Did you get that? Watch it.
She loves it.
Come on. Bring it.
No kidding.
Bring it.
What was the noise that Flipper made when Flipper was a dolphin?
Come on. Get over.
Oh,
I
yeah.
gotta go up.
Come on.
Look at
You should have seen her over there. She
Come on.
Okay,
go. She won't.
you
Good girl.
believe the game. It's been like 3 or 4 weeks now. Stop.
They're going to be in school. They're going to be in
Allie, what's your last day?
She just loves it.
Now it's the 19th.
Okay, so
Used to be the 12th.
I mean, the only thing stopping her from going to the bottom is her belly. Her belly is what stops her from going. Her feet never touch the
I
ground.
love going out because it's so
Well, that sucks.
Aww. Oh, look at.
Oh, oh my god. Oh my god.
She
Oh
will.
my gosh, Paul, you get
She will drown.
Oh my gosh.
That is adorable.
I'll follow you.
Look at.
Oh my god. For that stick. Yep. Oh, hands. Oh my god, Ollie's.
It was a lefty throw, and I was trying to get it up on the hill.
Get it.
Actually. Oh, there's one right there.
Where?
Pull right up. No.
Yeah, she's done.
Go get it, Allie. Come on. Come on. Let's go get it. Come on. Up here.
Oh my gosh, your
Up
whole
here.
body.
Let's go. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go find it. Go get it.
Where's it?
Go get him. Go get him.
But now she has a little trail.
Yeah,
Look,
she's
there
got
she
trail.
goes. Oh, look at all the snow.
in the.
Ollie, come here.
Oh my god! I got the cutest picture of her.
You got snow
Like
on
I
you.
kept trying to get that good.
Hello.
It's like the Grammys.
Hello.
It's like the Grammys.
We're going in to watch. I missed half of the Grammys. We're going to watch them.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes. Annie taped them for me.
We watched part of it.
I have to go study.
Did you work yesterday?
No, I was coming back.
Right here. What are you doing? Those are sharp. All right, come here. Look right here.
No, Dad, don't. Oh,
Oh my word. Oh my word.
let her help her out. Come here. Oh, there you go. Thank you.
Come on, throw her in the snow. Let me get a good picture. Well, what are you doing in there? Looks like it's pretty deep. It looks pretty deep. Yep, this is where mailboxes are. Go get it. Get up there. Can you do it? Keep going. Keep trying. Go dig it. It's right in there. Can you get it? Find it. You see it? You see it? What do you got in there? Can you get it? Can you bring it out? You need some help? It's right there. It's right there. Look, Rose. It's right there. Right there. Get it. Get it. Get it. Good girl. All right. You did it. What you doing? What you doing in that snow? What you doing, Dubby? Oh, you got a racetrack too. You got a racetrack too. I know, he's crazy. He's crazy. Alright, here's the ice dams in the back of the house, even with a snow shovel and constantly being vigilant on it. Got about 7 inches of ice. Came up yesterday, put in these little rivers with hot water. Of course, they filled in, so who knows. Had it happen before. Floods the whole inside of the house. Water goes back up the shingles and starts coming in through the plywood. Kind of ugly. Anyway, it is what it is. Look at that snow. Look at this.
Rosie.
Look at that. On the roof line.